friends! Get comfy and enjoy another fun-filled video with us.
So sweet. Rumi, Mira, Zoe.
Special body bubble just for you.
Rumi blows a bubble like a bright balloon, dancing under the underwater moon. Hand-painted candy, sugar-coated sea. This is the place where we want to be. Mira mixes potions with the fruity smell, sweet kind of magic that I love to tell. Zoe's jumping on a jelly wreath. Joy and laughter beyond belief. Popping in the deep, sweeter than the dreams that we always keep. Mermaid sisters neon and pink, faster than the time takes to blink. Rumi, Mira, Zoe, sweet and true, forever true. Fresh ingredients, Rumi, Mira, Zoe, market day. Rumi grounds its stones of handcrafted gold, the best treasures that the sea can hold. Tiny baskets and a seashell coin. Come on, sisters, time to join. Mira finds the herbs with the magical scent, best coins that we've ever spent. Zoe's grabbing the freshest fruit, looking so stylish in her mermaid suit. Miniature market, colorful and bright, everything we need for the magic tonight. Mermaid sisters shopping through the reef, happiness beyond belief. Rumi, Mira, Zoe, bag it up, forever true. Rumi, Mira, Zoe, the table is set. Let's feast. Rumi loves the silk on the wooden plate, a royal dinner. Don't be late. Glowing spices on a silver tray. We're cooking magic at the end of the day. Mira lights the candles with the flick of her tail, a shimmering glow that will never fail.
Nice.
Pouring the starlight wine, everything tonight is looking so fine. Neon banquet shining in the deep, a culinary promise that we always keep. Mermaid sisters, masters of the taste, not a single second of the magic goes to waste. Rumi, Mira, Zoe, bon appetit, forever true. Rumi, Mira, Zoe, the king is watching, feel the dragon shake. Rumi is the trident made of light, taming the ocean in the dead of night. Miniature kingdom, colossal power. This is our moment, this is our hour.
Bye-bye, my love.
Bye-bye.
Handle with care.
Oh my God! Help me! Help me! Get out!
Get down. Mira. Dance. Floors. Later. Rumi walks on the ocean floor. We don't need the palace anymore. Glitter bubbles and a funky beat. Feel the heat in your tiny feet.
Rumi, where are you?
One.
Rumi, answer me. Oh my God! No!
I have a way. Spot 5 differences. Game rules. Find 5 differences in 2 pictures. Where is it? Good job.
Forever true.
Nice!
Sparkle and shine. Rumi, Rita, Zoe, ride the current. Rumi, feel the pulse of the digital sea. A world of wonders for the world to see. Shimmering neon in every way. The futuristic legend that we're here to say. Mira commands the light with the magic surge. Watching the sea and the sky converge. So we starting for
Oh no! Rumi!
a new dimension waiting to be found.
Oh no! You don't look okay.
It's okay. Come on, follow me!
The ocean in our soul. Mermaid sisters, queens of the beat. Marina night in the city street. Oh, electric and grand. Oh, we rule this land. When the power fades and the world goes dim, we'll find the light that's deep within. So we lead the charge, Mira holds the light.
Wow.
Guide us through the night. Mira, Zoe. Mira, Zoe. Mira, Zoe. Mira, Zoe. Forever true. Loading and wings. Rumi swims through the circuits of the sea. A high-tech legend for the world to see. Hand-wired coral in the
Yes!
divine, watching the ancient and the modern align. Mira hacks the waves with the magic key, setting all the digital spirits free. So we surfing on a data stream, fastest mermaid in the dream. Digital Atlantis rising from the code, following the path on the neon road. Mermaid sisters, queens of the fight. We are the future in the dark of night. Rumi, Mira, Zoe, connected and true. Forever true. Mira, Zoe, our world is a piece of clay, a stroke of paint, a tiny voice that is never faint. Rumi built the walls, Mira made them glow. So we let the spirit of the ocean flow. It's a small world, but the love is big. From the tallest mountain to the smallest twig. We are the architects of
Wait, 30
every
minutes.
dream. A handcrafted legend
Okay.
awaits. Handcrafted anthem, rising so proud. A tiny whisper that is screaming out loud. Mermaid sisters, queens of the arts, forever living in a giant heart. Rumi, Mira, Zoe, handcrafted, forever true. The final chapter. Rumi, Mira, Zoe. Our legend lives on. Forever. tiny world made by a loving hand. From the first ripple to the deepest blue, every handcrafted dream has come true. Mira holds the memories, Zoe holds the flame. The whispers of the water call out our name. We've crossed the oceans, we've touched the sky. Watch the spirit of the mermaid fly.
I like it.
Legacy of the sea, we're burning like gold. The greatest story that was ever told. Mermaid sisters bound by the heart. Even 1,000 miles can't pull us apart. Eternal and grand. We changed the flag.
So beautiful.
If you look closely, in a drop of rain, you'll hear our song. You'll feel no pain. 1 for the magic, 2 for the light, 3 for the sisters who won the fight. Legacy of the sea, we're burning like gold. The greatest
I love you guys.
was
Bye bye.
ever told. Mermaid sisters bound by the heart. Even 1,000 miles can't pull us apart.
What? Oh no!
Don't worry, I'll take care of her.
Oh my god.
Mira, Zoe, handcrafted. The sea never forgets. Beyond the blue, Rumi, Mira, Zoe. The horizon is calling. 1, 2, 3, jump! Rumi trusts the course to the unknown, far away from the palace and the throne. With a paper map and a heart of fire, we're reaching for everything we desire. Mira charges the stars with the magic glow, higher than the highest currents go. Zoe's leading the way with the lightning tail. Across the universe we set sail. Rumi, Mira, Zoe, swimming through the stars of the deep. Yeah, let's go. Rumi looks up at the surface so bright, like a million diamonds in the middle of the night. The water is our sky, the coral is our ground. A universe of magic is waiting to be found. Mira calls the starlight with the magic incantation, sending out a pulse across the mermaid nation. Zoe's leaping forward, breaking every speed, following the rhythm, taking everything we need. Ocean, galaxy, we're shining in the dark, igniting every wave with the cinematic spark. Mermaid sisters, we are queens of the tide. With the power of the sea, we have nothing to hide. Electric and grand, we rule this land. Through the city lights, we're walking hand in hand, bringing all the magic to the golden sand. We find the melody near a host of flames, so we write our story, they will finally know our name. When storm clouds gather and the deep begins to roar, we'll find it in the strength that we never before. Rumi's voice will guide us through the dark and lonely night. Ocean, galaxy, we're shining in the dark, igniting every wave with the cinematic spark. Mermaid sisters, we are queens of the time. With the power of the sea, we have nothing to hide.
Oh, I love it.
Okay.
from a piece of wood to a royal
The box is locked!
This is where
Oh, no.
a miracle begins.
Oh, an unlocked box! Let's
A
unbox
giant
it!
heart. Every single detail is a work of art.
One game. Find a character that looks like the given example.
We make the choice to build a world where the dreamers can play, leading the way to a brighter day. Infinite imagination soaring so high, reaching the limits of the physical sky. Mermaids sisters forever as one, under the light of the golden sun.
Round
Find Mira's Kiki.
Forever true. Our world is a piece of clay, a stroke of paint, a tiny voice that is never faint. Rumi built the walls, Mira made them grow. So we let the spirit of the ocean flow. It's a small world, but the love is big. From the tallest mountain to the smallest tree, we are the architects of every dream. A handcrafted legend awakening. Handcrafted, rising so proud. A tiny whisper that is screaming aloud. Mermaid sisters, queens of the earth. Forever
What's inside the dirty tiger box?
Hey!
system alert. Into the grid. System online. Rumi, diving into the grid. Rumi swims through the fiber optic wave. A digital world beyond belief. Binary bubbles rising to the top. High-tech rhythm never stop. Mirror hacks the current with the glowing code. Opening the path on the data roads. Always stepping on a silicone wave. The future's ours to take and save. Cyber ocean flashing in the night. We are the glitches, we are the light. Mermaid sisters, queens of the light. Shining forever in the dark of night. Mira, Zoe, connected and true. Forever true. Sparkle and shine. Rumi, Mira, Zoe, we're sailing on the stars. Rumi catches starlight in a pearl, the most magical mermaid in the world. Diamond bubbles everywhere we go, watching the secret universe grow. Mira calls the currents with an ancient spell, secrets of the deep that we love to tell. Zoe's leaping past the speed of light, chasing the dawn through the heart of the night. Starlight sailors, we're taking control with the fire invisible in the mirror. Miniature dreams getting clearer and clearer. A handcrafted stage with the velvet curtain. Tonight we're stars and that's for certain. Mirror hums a chorus, Zoe does a spin. Let the grand underwater show begin. Hand painted smiles and a tiny applause. Following the rhythm, breaking all the laws. Miniature musical singing so loud. The smallest show for the biggest crowd.
Wow!
Mermaid sister stars are the same. The greatest legend that there's ever been. Mira, Zoe, show stopping and true. Forever true.
Nuh-uh. Oh, wow! Transformation successful! How do you feel about today's challenge? Drop a comment below.
What?
Come on.
Faster now, Rooney, Mira, Zoe, catch the rush now, Rooney, Mira. Rooney disappears in a sapphire blur, making the spirit of the ocean stir. Moving like lightning through the coral gate. We're never slow, we're never late. Mira boosts the engine with a magic spark, leaving a trail through the lonely dark. Zoe's racing past the speed of sound, a new record waiting to be found. The Velocity vibe will take the lead. Unity and power, all that we need. Mermaid sisters faster than light, breaking the barrier in the middle of night. Rooney, Mira, Zoe, unstoppable and true, forever true. Back to the future. Rooney, Mira, Zoe, let's go retro. vibrations of the land. Mira pushes the magic to the red line. Everything we touch is
Oh, I
starting to
love
shine.
it.
So it's dying in the neon blur, taking the spirit of the universe. Oh shit, overdrive,
Nice.
taking the lead. Unity and power are all that we need. Mermaid sisters, faster than light. We are the explosion in the middle of the night. Rumi, Mira, Zoe, unstoppable and true, forever true.
Wow! I love it! Come on!
Welcome to the blue, Rumi.
Mira, Zoe, stay smooth. Wow. Rumi moves like velvet through the dress for shadows on the handcrafted wall, setting the silverware. The real magic has just begun.
Mira dims the lights with the purple glow. Best vibes that the currents know. Zoe's gliding with the gentle flare, shimmering mystery in the liquid air.
Okay.
Blue velvet beat pulsing so deep, secrets of the ocean that we always keep. Mermaids, sisters, queens of the night, dancing in the shadows, chasing the light.
No, no, no.
Mira, Zoe.
No, no, no. No, no, no. Yeah!
Forever true. Fast, faster. Don't blink. Nice. Rumi, Mira. Zoe, go. Rumi is a blur in the neon stream, chasing the pulse of a sapphire dream. No time to wait, no time to rest. Putting our courage to the ultimate test. Mira opens the portal with a magic spin. Velocity games begin. Zoe's leaping through the sunlight.
No, no, no.
Oh, we're never gonna stumble, never gonna
Ah!
vortex spinning around, faster than the speed of
Okay.
light and sound. Mermaid sisters breaking the wind. This is the race that we're gonna win. Rumi, Mira, Zoe. Moving so fast. Forever true. Faster. Rumi, Zoe. Feel the pull of the midnight sea.
No, no, no.
Rumi follows the magnetic glow, secrets of the metal that the currents know. Get down,
Let's go!
Zoe, dance floors waiting. Rumi moonwalks on the ocean floor. Good. We don't need the palace anymore. Glitter bubbles and a funky beat. Feel the heat in your tiny feet. Mira spins the record with the magic hand. The best party in the mermaid land. Zoe's doing velvet slide. We got the rhythm. The day is ending. Ruby, Mira, Zoe, look at the sky. Ruby sits on a rock of painted stone, far from the palace and the diamond throne. The surface is purple, the water is gold. A peaceful story starting to unfold. Mira whispers to the evening breeze, a magic lullaby through the coral trees. Zoe's watching the last light fade, a handcrafted sunset, beautifully made sunset serenade under the moon, humming the rhythm of a quiet tune. Mermaid sisters, peaceful and still, dreaming together with our magic will. Ruby, Mira, Zoe, forever true.
Yeah. Under the tide, Ruby, Mira, Zoe, let's dive into the Under the blue water, Ruby gently waves her soft tail. Moonlight melts in the sea foam, gentle and calm. In her
Oh, I
heart
love
is a
it.
distant longing for a world where her feet will walk so fast. Mira appears with magic in her hands. The melody of the ocean starts burning right here. Zoe glides like a flash of light across the ocean. Three little souls unafraid of any storm. Dive in, we are proud mermaids. Stepping on the waves, nothing can hold us back. Deep blue
What?
in the dark night, merge into ocean's heart is beating. Stories just begin.
Follow the channel and turn on notifications for the latest videos.
Never ends, so we are always side by side, never apart. Overcoming fear. Friendship is a priceless gift. When the storm comes, darkness surrounds every path. Mira lights the way, Zoe leads us out of the shadows. Ruby raises her voice, echoing through the clouds. The power of you. Dive in, we are proud mermaids. Stepping on the waves, nothing can hold us back. Deep blue destiny, burning in the dark night, merge into the beat, the roar of the sun. Ruby, Mira, Zoe, ocean queens, diving into the sun. We are one.
Ruby, peek.